How to fix need for speed Unbound game progress not saving issue. 1. Allow NFS's speed.exe file to your antivirus program / Windows security and firewall. Like this. Refer to the IMG below. 2. Close OneDrive. /Google Drive. 3. Clear any special characters in your Windows username. 4. Verify game. Files in Steam. Like this. 5. Backup and delete save game files at documents / need for speed, TM, unbound / save game / save game. Refer to the IMG below.